Crazy day in the market overall today. Obviously, everybody was prepared. The volatility was built in. Everything was priced in for the Fed announcement of the interest rate cut by 25 basis points today at 2 p.m. And then they also hinted that there's going to be more cuts coming by the end of the year. So kind of everything was already priced in. Your volatility, if you're looking at your puts and your calls in just your zero DTEs, today, right before 2 o'clock, everything was kind of juiced up a little bit, and then immediately when you had that first push up, all the volatility kind of got sucked out, right? So everything was kind of built in already. So a move to the downside obviously was already priced in, and everybody kind of knew that was going to happen. I think the biggest thing was that sharp recovery there at the end. So we only ended flat today, down 82 cents on the day at 659.18. So I think that was kind of surprising, but overall, the big drawdown off of whatever news, like the Fed could have said anything, right? Jerome Powell could have said anything in there, and the market would have pulled back because we were just so overran. But so I think the surprising thing was that little sharp run up at the very end there to get us back to basically flat on the day. So we're going to see what tomorrow brings. If we are gapping up, obviously 660 is going to be our resistance. Anything above that, 661.78, that is going to be our high. And then above there, we're looking at nice whole numbers on the way up until the chart tells us something different. Now, support wise, we're going to be looking at that 656 area. That is kind of, or it's really the mid 655s, but that whole area, that is a place that we're going to be looking at because that's basically where we just bounced off of today. So that's going to be our first support. Anything below there, you're looking right here at that 652.21. Now, as far as our implied volatility goes in here, you have right around a $3.55 expected move priced in by tomorrow's expiration. So we'll see what happens as we work our way throughout the day tomorrow. And that's going to be depending on if we gap up or down. If we do gap down tomorrow, then maybe that volatility will get sucked out just a little bit in there. So that move is priced in with the overnight move as well, right? So we kind of have to keep that in mind as you're looking at this. So $4 expected move by tomorrow's expiration, monthly expiration coming up on the 19th. You have right around a $6 expected move. You go all the way out to next Monday, right around a $7 expected move priced in. So we're going to see what happens. Are we going to gap up or down tomorrow? How is everything going to relate compared to the news that we just had today? Is the market even going to care? Did we need that healthy or was that pullback today healthy? Did we need that? Is that good? Now we can start working our way back up again, like we were just running straight up. That is kind of what we're looking at as we go into tomorrow and throughout the end of the week. So again, 660, 661.78. That's what we're looking up on the upside. Downside, 655 to 656. And then below there, 652.21. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.